This is how you can access YouTube audio library from mobile. So go to the Chrome or any other browser you are using, then go to YouTube. Like this, and make sure you are logged into your channel or account from here. If you are not, you can just switch account from here and then log into your account. Now, to access YouTube audio library in mobile, what you have to do is tap on three dot, make it desktop side, and tap on this profile icon and go to YouTube Studio. Now, if you have a YouTube Studio already open, then it will redirect to this original YouTube Studio. So what you have to do is uninstall it for now. You can reinstall later. Now, after you uninstall the YouTube Studio app from your mobile, now do this again. Tap on profile and YouTube Studio. Now it will open YouTube Studio in your mobile because we are using it as a desktop site. That's the trick. That's the workaround. So from here, go to this audio at the last. Here is the creator music. YouTube audio library is now called creator music. So from here you can access everything that YouTube audio library has to offer. Now if you like it, you can just download it and make sure that you see the user right, if it's a free or not. You can make any kinds of filter out from here, more. This is how you do it.